Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best microblading eyebrow pencil is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving perfectly defined and natural-looking brows, especially for those seeking a semi-permanent solution that mimics the look of real eyebrow hairs with incredible precision and ease, making it an essential item for anyone wanting to enhance their facial features with effortless, long-lasting definition. Number 5. Julep One Pencil Matte Gel Eyeliner. Discover the revolutionary eyeliner that combines the precision of a pencil with the glide of a gel. Experience effortless application and intense color payoff. This innovative formula is designed for all-day wear, ensuring your look stays flawless from morning to night. Say goodbye to smudging and fading. Achieve the perfect line every time with its sharpenable tip. Get precise definition for any eye look you desire. Get ready for the deepest, most intense black you've ever seen. This shade delivers unparalleled pigmentation for a dramatic effect. It's the ultimate tool for creating bold, beautiful eyes. Elevate your makeup routine with this must-have eyeliner. What we like? This offers a unique gel-like glide for effortless application. Its intensely black shade provides a bold look that lasts all day. If you're looking for a dramatic, long-lasting eyeliner that applies smoothly, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Microblading Eyebrow Pencil is waterproof, ensuring long-lasting wear without smudging. It features a unique fork-tip design that mimics the look of natural eyebrow hairs, allowing for precise application and a realistic finish. The pencil glides on smoothly, providing buildable color that can be easily blended for a customized look. Number 4. iMethod Dual-Ended Eyebrow Pen. Achieve perfectly natural-looking eyebrows with ease. This innovative tool is designed for everyone seeking beautifully defined brows. It features a unique 2-in-1 design for ultimate versatility. Get the best of both worlds with its dual-ended application. The microblading-inspired tip creates fine, hair-like strokes effortlessly. Achieve a professional microblading effect at home. Its precise brush tip allows for detailed shaping and filling. Enjoy a flawless finish that enhances your natural features. This waterproof formula ensures your brows stay put all day long. No need for touch-ups, it lasts through any activity. Whether you're a woman or a man, this brow pen is your secret weapon. It's designed for all genders to achieve their ideal brows. What we like? This features a dual-ended design for ultimate versatility. The microblading tip creates incredibly natural-looking brows, and it's completely waterproof. If you desire a precise, natural brow look that won't budge, especially for oily skin or humid conditions, this is your go-to. What people say. The Microblading Eyebrow Pencil is waterproof, ensuring long-lasting wear without smudging. It features a unique fork-tip design that mimics the look of natural eyebrow hairs, allowing for precise application. The pencil glides on smoothly, providing a natural-looking finish that fills in sparse areas effectively. Number 3. iMethod Dual-Ended Eyebrow Pen. Achieve perfectly natural-looking eyebrows with ease. This innovative tool is designed for both women and men seeking flawless brows. It features a unique 2-in-1 design for ultimate precision. Get the look you desire with its versatile application. The microblading effect is created by its 3-prong microfork tip. This allows for hair-like strokes that blend seamlessly. On the other end, a precise brush tip helps to shape and blend. This ensures a polished and complete finish every time. Enjoy confidence with its waterproof formula that lasts all day. Your brows will stay put, no matter the conditions. This light brown shade is perfect for a natural look. It complements a wide range of hair colors for a subtle enhancement. What we like? Similar to its counterpart, this also boasts a dual-ended design for ease of use. It excels at creating natural-looking brows with its microblading tip and offers waterproof wear. If you have lighter hair and want a subtle, natural brow definition that stays put all day, this shade is perfect. What people say. The Microblading Eyebrow Pencil is waterproof, ensuring long-lasting wear without smudging. Its fine tip allows for precise application, mimicking natural eyebrow hairs for a realistic look. The formula glides on smoothly, providing buildable color intensity for customized results. Number 2. LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit, Dark Brown. Introducing the LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit in dark brown. Achieve perfectly defined brows with this all-in-one solution. Our formula is completely waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your look stays flawless all day long. No need to worry about touch-ups. Enjoy long-lasting definition that enhances your natural beauty. It stays put from morning to night. This versatile kit includes a brow pencil, pomade, eyeliner, and a brow brush. Everything you need to create your desired brow look. Effortlessly create natural-looking, full brows that frame your face beautifully. Get the perfect arch and shape with ease. The included brow brush ensures easy and precise application. You'll achieve professional results at home. What we like? This is a comprehensive 4-in-1 kit offering a pencil, pomade, eyeliner, and brush. It's designed for long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof wear. If you want a complete solution for creating full, natural brows with various tools in one package, this kit is ideal for achieving a polished look. What people say. This microblading eyebrow pencil is waterproof, ensuring your brows stay defined all day. The fine tip allows for precise application, mimicking natural eyebrow hairs for a realistic look. It glides on smoothly and is smudge-proof, making it easy to create flawless brows without clumping. Number 1. Winky Luxe Uni-Brow Eyebrow Pencil. Introducing the Winky Luxe Uni-Brow Eyebrow Pencil. Achieve perfectly shaped brows with its universal shade, designed to complement any look. This pencil is your secret weapon for flawless brows. Its creamy formula glides on smoothly, making application a breeze. Get natural-looking definition that lasts all day. It fills in sparse areas and shapes your brows with precision. Enjoy smudge-proof wear that stays put from morning to night. You can trust it to keep your brows looking impeccable. The universal shade adapts to your natural brow color, ensuring a seamless blend. It's the only brow pencil you'll ever need. Elevate your beauty routine with this essential tool. It's designed for ease of use and stunning results every time. What we like? This pencil comes in a universal shade that adapts to most brow colors. Its design makes it incredibly easy to use for quick touch-ups or full brow definition. If you're seeking a simple, foolproof way to achieve natural-looking brows without worrying about shade matching, this is an excellent option. What people say. This microblading eyebrow pencil is waterproof, ensuring your brows stay defined all day long. The fine-tip design allows for precise application, mimicking natural eyebrow hairs for a realistic look. It glides on smoothly and is smudge-proof, making it easy to achieve flawless brows without clumping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.